Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted channel for practical reviews with no fluff. Today, we're diving into the best space-saving collapsible colander you'll want in your kitchen, RV, or campsite. The ultimate kitchen strainer set of 2 by Comfify. Let's get into it. We all know that kitchen space is sacred. Whether you live in a small apartment, travel in an RV, or simply want to declutter your cabinets, space-saving tools can be a game changer. And this colander set might just be the MVP of minimalist cooking. Right out of the box, you're greeted with 2 vibrant green collapsible colanders made of food-grade silicone. They feel sturdy, but not heavy. The texture is smooth, flexible, and clearly built for both frequent use and tight storage. The dimensions are practical too. About 9.75 inches long, 7.87 wide, and just over 3 inches tall when fully expanded. Now, the magic happens when you press them down. They collapse completely flat. This feature alone is worth highlighting. No more awkwardly stacking bulky plastic strainers or jamming them into overflowing drawers. When you're done using them, they shrink down and slide neatly into even the most cramped cabinets or RV compartments. The silicone handles stay cool and are easy to grip, and the holes are evenly distributed to drain water quickly without letting food slip through. You won't be left shaking the colander endlessly, liquids drain fast, and cleanup is even faster. Whether you're rinsing spaghetti, elbow macaroni, or fettuccine, this tool delivers al dente precision every time. You can place your strawberries, grapes, or blueberries in the bowl, give them a rinse under the faucet, and watch the water drain right out. No more waterlogged fruit or mushy leftovers. And here's where the versatility shines. It's not just for pasta or fruit. You can rinse leafy greens, root vegetables, canned beans, or even use it to strain rice or quinoa. The silicone is BPA-free, heat-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. So you can toss it in with your dishes or hand-rinse it in seconds. The material doesn't stain or absorb odors, something any garlic lover will appreciate. Now let's pivot to the outdoors. Whether you're making a quick pasta dinner over a camp stove or rinsing veggies at the lake, this tool does the job. Durability is another area where this colander set scores big. Even after repeated collapsing and expanding, the silicone keeps its shape. It doesn't warp, doesn't crack, and doesn't give off that unpleasant plastic smell you find in some budget products. You'll feel confident using it every day, and it'll keep up with the wear and tear of real kitchen life. If you're a student in a dorm, a family living in a small home, a chef who likes efficiency, or someone who just loves great design, you'll appreciate this tool. And if you camp or travel regularly, this might just be the last strainer set you ever need. To sum it up, the ultimate kitchen strainer set by Comfify earns its title as the best space-saving collapsible colander. It's compact, durable, easy to clean, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're boiling pasta, rinsing veggies, or washing berries on the go, this set has your back. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you want more functional kitchen gear reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a critique that actually matters. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!